Good evening out there in radio land. Good evening out there in radio land. It's Isabella. It's the parrot, Isabella. Formally, it's a formal introduction, if you will grant me a second. She was born on the 4th of July. She's 21 years old. Isabella! Hey. A fine bird she has been so far. She hasn't said a word, not one, uttered one word. This bird ain't said nothing, and I'll be talking to this bird all the time now, believe me. Take my word for it, I have talked to the bird. You don't be doing this right here because I think I can feel a vibe. You know, I'll be pointing to her in this manner, and I get a something. It's kind of eerie sometimes, so don't be doing that if you're around her. Don't give her that sign. Attract her attention in some other way. And the question I'm going to leave you with is, you know, I would like for the parrot to talk to me, answer back, or even a question, you know, outright thinking on her own. If you have any idea how to, for me to do it myself, to entice the parrot to say something, to talk, to gab, orate, if you have any idea whatsoever, leave it in the form of a comment down there. And once I get the comment back, I will talk it over with the bird. yeah. Ain't said a word. This bird ain't said a word since I've had it. Leave a comment now. Oh, Roseanne-barr. Roseanne-barr. I tell you what, that old girl has blossomed. And the men the parrot's already talked this over with. The Roseanne-barr of late, I tell you what, she's blossomed into a real, I mean, that's a good-looking woman right there now. I'm just saying, check her out, give her a chance. Roseanne-barr, she got one of them, I hear, word on the road is that she's got some kind of nut farm somewhere. Roseanne-barr, a good-looking chick. In her old age now, I mean, she had her problems, you know, early on. I'm just saying, a good-looking girl. It's just something for you other ladies to, in the parrot too, it's something for you to look forward to when you get old. You could look pretty good. I'm just saying. Yeah, from down here at the feed store, it's that old, well, it's down there at the end of the dirt road. You know, the bus, that bus stopped. You know, it always stopped to back up yonder before it come past the house. We've talked about that before. I've told the parrot that story. You know, when you live that far down the dirt road that the bus don't run by your house, you know, all is well. So says the parrot.